We have some H&M home items to go over in today's video, and actually it's going to be a full unboxing because I haven't unpackaged anything. I'm excited. I was super impressed with what looked like good quality for the price of these items that I ordered. In a recent video, I asked you guys what were some of your favorite home decor stores to shop at, and a lot of you said H&M Home, so I got on and was really surprised at a lot of the different items that they had. I've been on the website before, but nothing really made me make a purchase, if that makes sense. So let's just get into the video. First, we have another tablecloth. You guys know, especially if you've been watching some of my recent home decor hauls, I have been into textiles majorly lately. I don't know why I'm so into them, but I really am. So when I saw this pinstriped tablecloth, I just thought this was super timeless and something I wanted to add to my home and my collection. This is it. Now, I recently did a video where I shared a tablecloth from Amazon. This is not that thick quality. It is like a true linen tablecloth. Honestly, it's really nice. I need to see how much I paid for this. Let's take a look. This was $18. I don't know what tablecloths are running for these days, to be honest with you, but I feel like this is incredible for $18. It is a little bit of that oatmeal color mixed with like a charcoal, like a black pinstripe. I just thought this was super, super pretty. There was a window pane one that I really wanted, but when I went to go place my order, it was sold out, which was a little bit of a bummer, but I'm gonna watch and see if it comes back in stock because I really liked that one. And then I do know I have some more. I bought 2 sets of these pinstripe napkins. And I just thought these were so timeless and just totally my style. They pull a little bit more handsome, if you will. And I really am loving this pinstripe. I think mixed with some cut crystal would be so beautiful. I thought that these were gorgeous. Same quality, super nice quality. I do know I got a lot of this on sale. Let's see how much these were. $9.36 for 2. I am so shocked right now. I do know my order was not very much, and I was like, dang, I got a lot of stuff for the amount that I spent. These are really pretty. Now they are a bit closer together as far as the stripes than the tablecloth, but I think mixing the two is just gonna be really pretty, super lightweight. You can tell they're a really nice linen quality. I think this pinstripe napkin is something I can have for a long time. I really love the style of this. I am so impressed with these, and they looked really good online, but you never know getting them in person. Sometimes I'll order things just to see how it looks in person, and I'm super impressed with these. I think that they are a really nice quality linen, very affordable, very affordable, and just really great colorway. I love the look of this. It's just absolutely beautiful. So I got 2 sets of those, and then I also got, oh, these are the linen pillows. Okay, I was really wanting to check these out because recently I ordered some linen pillow covers. Actually, let me show you. Recently I ordered these pillow covers from Amazon. They just got washed, so I need to steam them. These are some of the best quality pillow covers I have ever purchased. They are just incredible. The texture is amazing, absolutely beautiful. So I was kind of curious to see, okay, H&M, let's see what your linen cover quality is about, and let's see how much these cost. $14.40, and I think these are on sale for $20 right now. I'll have both linked down below. In fact, all of this stuff will be linked down below. Okay, so it's a thinner, finer pillow cover. Honestly, for $14, these are really nice, but as you can see, I don't know if you can totally tell. There is a quality difference for sure. These are a little bit more casual, worn, chunky, and then these are a little bit not as chunky. Definitely has the linen texture, but really nice. Honestly, if I were to pick out of the two, I would for sure go with the Amazon one. I just think it's just more my vibe, but this is really incredible. And actually it has the zipper as well, which I prefer because then once your pillow's in there, it's in there. there and you don't have to worry about it falling out or the flap opening up or anything like that. So I gotta say, I'm actually pretty impressed with these. These are in a 24 by 24, so I would at least get a 26 by 26 pillow insert, if not even larger. I do like those. Okay, and then I got a few pillow covers. I got this print here, and seeing it in person, kind of feel like it feels a little young. So I don't know, I think I am gonna probably return these. They're pretty, but it's pulling a little like youthful for my style. I like things just very, very elegant. But again, I think these were very inexpensive. These were $4.32. That is worth $4.32. Actually, you know, these might be really pretty for the back patio. I might reconsider considering the $4, but I really wanted to see about mixing some patterns in our space, and it comes with a zipper. So like I said, I think it's a little juvenile, but still very, very pretty. Let me see if I can come up close. Really, really pretty. And then, okay, the gingham has been hot right now. And I thought, you know, I could totally add some gingham to my home, kind of mix in that pattern, especially with linen. I'll show you here in a second. So I picked up these two. Let's see what these were. Checked cushion cover. These were $9.36. Now, like I said, they were having a sale when I purchased. So they're, I think original, they are $12.99. So still for $12.99, gorgeous. I love these. They're kind of like a navy blue. I thought they were gonna be a little bit more black, but absolutely beautiful. And I thought just mixed in with the linen would be really, really pretty, and another pattern to add in for the spring. I will say, I think that the gingham is a little bit more complementary to my style than the floral, but still really, really, really nice quality, especially for the price. That is really what's getting me, is the price. I got this mango wood tray. This tray was $36, which I don't know about you guys, but I find trays to be super expensive. I don't know why they're so expensive. So this is a mango wood tray. My only issue with mango wood is it does pull a little yellow, and this one does definitely have some yellow, but it's beautiful. I love the modern cutout for the handles. I feel like it's just so timeless, really, and very sleek. All around the edges is just such beautiful tones, and you know, this could be beautiful for a bedside table, for the end of the bed if you want to greet some guests with, you know, some waters or treats or anything like that. Coffee table, anywhere. You could use this for anything. So I had to check this one out because, like I said, I find trays to be so incredibly pricey, and I thought this one was a decent price for a tray, and it's really pretty. The only thing I'm not in love with is, like I said, the little bit of the yellow, but that just, I find, is common in mango wood. I don't remember what this is. Oh, I think this is that little scallop dish. Are you guys into the scallop trend? I think a little bit of it is really, really pretty. I feel like I don't want to go too overboard with it, but I found this little tray. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, this will, oh, it's like not, it kind of like curves. Look how pretty that is. I thought this either sitting on my desk, which is more of a patinaed wood desk, or even mixed in with some of the pinstripes is really pretty. It just kind of, the juxtaposition of the two styles to me is just absolutely beautiful. So when I saw this, I knew I had to have it. It actually came in a tall little vase as well, but that one was sold out. So beautiful. It's like so perfect for little catch-alls. I could put my jewelry in here. This is really, I thought it was going to be a lot thinner. It's actually pretty thick. How pretty is that? That is just so sweet. That is really sweet. Let's see how much I paid for that one. $18, which I feel like I am okay with spending the $18 on that. Oh, this is a lot smaller than I thought this was going to be. Okay, so I got this little pitcher. Thought for sure this was going to be a lot bigger. Did not take any measurements though, so that's my bad. But I just thought having a nice little pitcher is really nice, especially when you're doing like outdoor eating. I feel like it's really nice to have a nice little pitcher to bring your beverages outside. So I got this. I might end up, I don't know what to use this for. It's a lot smaller than I thought, but it's still super cute. I just thought, I'm super into ceramics right now. I have been searching high and low for like the perfect metal baskets to reorganize underneath our kitchen sink. I really wanted to make that space really pretty. I really love wire baskets. I just feel like they add this beautiful material, and I love it mixed with cleaning supplies and different linens and things like that. So I was shocked because H&M Home, it looks, I gotta get them open. Let's see how they look in person. Like they had the perfect, hey, these are stuck. Okay, there we go. They look like they had the perfect wire baskets. Now, these are not the ones I originally saw and loved right away, but I saw their picture that they had on the website and how they had the different cleaning supplies and things in here, and I was sold, instantly sold. I was like, that's exactly what I'm looking for. So pretty. I love this. So I wanna put all of our cleaning supplies in here, sponges, all the things. I got quite a few of these and they look really good, really pretty. So I got these ones. I got 2 of these, kind of like medium size baskets, and the handles are really nice because if you had something that you don't have a lot in there or it's a little bit more shallow, the handles kind of stop it so you can stack these, which I like. So if you have some linen under there, you know, you can stack them. Loved those. Gorgeous. Oh, I love these. Okay, love these. I just love a wire basket. I just feel like it gives this kind of old world vibe to my space that I really love, and I just love them. So you can bring these medium ones in here as well. Again, the handle kind of stops it so you can stack your things in here. I just love these. I love these. So I got 2 of those big ones. And then these are the ones that I saw some like these on Pinterest, and I just loved how different they looked than your regular wire baskets that you can get anywhere. These ones were originally what sold me. Is I loved how wide these were. I don't know what it is about these, but they just look different to me. So I got 2 small ones. I got 2 of the larger in these. And again, I just thought that these were so pretty. Love these. Oh, I love these. Again, I just thought that they were different than your regular wire baskets with the smaller holes. As you can see, these ones are bigger, and you'll have to put like maybe your cleaning bottles in here or things that are larger that aren't gonna fall through the holes, but I got both. I wasn't planning on doing a mixture. I was just gonna get these, but then when I saw these and how they had them displayed on their website in the pictures, I had to get these as well. I am impressed with H&M Home. Even when I placed the order and I saw the amount that I was spending, I really did question the quality of these items. But honestly, every single piece that I pulled out, I was super impressed with the quality. I will for sure be placing another order from H&M Home. This was such a win. These were so good. Let me know down in the comments which item was your favorite from the haul. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in a couple days with another. Bye.
I would say we were good together.